Okay, I'd like to welcome everyone back to the channel. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to show you what's happened today. So, yeah, van drove into my car, damaged my wheels. No! Then the insurance spray painted them. Still not good. So I found a company local to me, Wheelgenie. Fantastic. Had a look down there. Had a look at the finish on all the wheels and work they've done previously. I really couldn't fault it. So I signed them up, gave them my car. And just wow, look at them wheels. Look how shiny it is. I swear, this video doesn't do it justice. You've really got to see it in person. So yeah, Wheelgenie, amazing kit, top quality notch. They can do everything to your wheels. Check them out. Great little shop, local to us all. Drive in and out in one day.